I don't think that should be the case, but even if we did happen to go back down to that 382 area, that still would maintain our bullish momentum, putting in a higher low comparative to May of 2025. But I'm going to be bullish on this, guys. The indicators are looking really good. And like we mentioned, I think yesterday, if we go to the 3 day, the longer term time frames are kind of just printing right now. The longer term time frames are looking massively bullish. So in turn, the long term time frame is kind of what I'm looking at here. And if you go to the short term, it's kind of confirming that uptrend support area. We actually got a perfect bounce off our uptrend support area right here, seeing a reversal back to the upside. Indicators are completely reset down here. I know there's a ton of scribble lines down here. Let's see if we can remove some. So in the short term on Toshi, if you're a 4 hour swing trader right now, we did get a green candle. We have not crossed over from bearish to bullish yet here on the stock RSI, but as you can see, the bearishness is the orange. We really haven't gone down that far on the orange when the blue has crashed like this. You can see the blue crashes and then the orange is right here when we cross over. So I wouldn't be surprised in the 4 hour if we do see a reversal back to the upside. The WTX is reset, RSI is reset. And the only thing that I can kind of see here is we did cross over bearish on the MACD. So as long as I would say, let's just clear this up, pretend we don't see the bull flag real quick and just draw a horizontal support. I would say as long as we stay above this support area right here at 0006, we're fine. We're fine. Toshi is perfectly fine. You can see that was 006 support there, support there, support there. So if we do happen to break that bull flag, I would say that would be an optimal buying opportunity. Not financial advice, but just putting a buy-in order at that 0006 area might not be a bad decision. 006, yeah, bad decision, because I've seen coins like this that see a quick wick down there and then they start rallying. For example, you can kind of see Toshi's already done that before. We were good right here. We threw a quick wick down and started rallying back up to the upside. It's a tactic. It's a tactic they use, liquidate shorts, get people to sell, and then they buy it up and then it starts rallying. But overall, man, this really does look like a bull flag to me, and it really does look solid comparative to the indicators. So let's just keep a close eye on Toshi, guys. Overall, I am going to be bullish on it. I think we're easily going to overtake our all-time high price. If I have to give a realistic price prediction for the bull run, I always base it off of the fib levels to the 236. And if we look for that 236 from the high to low right here, or the 1236, you can see we are up here at 004, and then we do have a golden fib here, the 1618, at about a penny, 1.5 cents. Normally during a bull run, you see us top out in a general area between the 1236 and the 1618. So I wouldn't be shocked at all if Toshi did end up going up to this general area and touching 1 cent, which from where we're currently at, it's probably a massive gain. Yeah, that's a 24x from where we're currently at. With a small market cap of 281 million, I think it's easily obtainable that Toshi can get to those prices. So if you look at prior coins in the past, prior meme coins, you always see this little lull and then you just see a straight vertical line. And I think we're gearing up for that straight vertical line here for Toshi. I mean, like I mentioned, the day chart indicators are looking bullish. If we look at the weekly time frame on it, the weekly time frame right now, we don't have a lot of info on it because it's a rather new coin, but the weekly time frame is still holding up. This week has been bullish as well. The main thing I want to look at is this week's candle, and you can see it's a reverse hammer candle. A hammer candle, for example, a little bit of a learning lesson. A hammer candle, if it's up like this and then you have your candle right here, that's indicative of a downtrend.